Ever wonder why the rich keep getting richer? It's not just about the money they make, it's also about the money they don't waste. Today, we're diving into 10 things the wealthy never invest in, and why you should avoid them too. Stick around to learn how to protect your finances like the 1%. 1. Timeshares. Timeshares might initially sound like a dream vacation plan, but for the wealthy, they often turn into a financial nightmare. Why? The steep upfront costs, perpetual maintenance fees that only seem to climb, and the lack of flexibility in usage make them more of a burden than a benefit. Instead of being tied to such constraints, the affluent prefer to invest in real estate they can fully own, appreciating its value over time, or opt to rent high-end, luxurious properties tailored to their specific needs whenever they travel. For the majority, timeshares are less of a smart investment and more of a costly trap. 2. Trendy startups without due diligence. Jumping on the latest tech trend or chasing the next big thing might be tempting, but the wealthy approach such opportunities with caution. They understand that true success lies in investing only after conducting thorough research and due diligence. The reality is that most startups fail, and without proper vetting, putting your money into such ventures is more like gambling than investing. The rich avoid falling for hype, choosing instead to focus on areas they understand deeply while ensuring their portfolios remain well diversified. It's a smart strategy that balances risk and reward, one worth emulating. 3. Penny stocks. Penny stocks often lure investors with the promise of quick riches, but they're notorious for being high risk and frequently entangled in scams. The wealthy understand that these too good to be true investments almost never deliver on their lofty promises and can lead to significant losses. Instead of chasing quick, speculative gains, they prioritize stability and growth by focusing on blue-chip stocks, exchange-traded funds ETFs, or long-term index funds. These proven investment strategies emphasize consistency and reliability, demonstrating that in the world of investing, slow and steady truly wins the race. 4. Get-rich-quick schemes. Multi-level marketing schemes, crypto pump and dumps, and self-proclaimed online gurus offering secret methods to instant wealth all have one thing in common: they prey on the desperate and the uninformed. These get-rich-quick tactics are designed to exploit emotions, not deliver real results. The wealthy, however, steer clear of anything that promises instant success or outsized returns with little effort. They know that true wealth is built through disciplined strategies, patience, and informed decisions. Always keep this in mind. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. 5. Cars as investments. Unless it's a rare, collectible classic, cars are depreciating assets that lose value over time. The wealthy understand this and view vehicles primarily as functional tools rather than investments. Even high-end luxury cars, while appealing, often lose a significant portion of their value the moment they're driven off the dealership lot. Instead of pouring money into assets that diminish in worth, the rich focus on growing their wealth by investing in appreciating assets such as stocks, real estate, or even personal development through education and skill building. These choices not only preserve capital, but also create opportunities for long-term financial growth. 6. High-fee mutual funds. High management fees can quietly erode your investment profits over time, significantly impacting your overall returns. The wealthy understand this and are careful to minimize unnecessary costs by favoring low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds ETFs. These investment options often outperform actively managed funds in the long run, thanks to their low fees and broad market exposure. By avoiding funds with excessive expense ratios, the rich ensure that more of their money stays invested and compounding for the future. Always take the time to review the expense ratio of any fund before committing your money. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your financial success. 7. Overpriced luxury goods. Here's the irony. The rich can easily afford luxury goods but rarely overpay for them. They recognize that a hefty price tag or a flashy logo doesn't necessarily equate to true value. Instead of impulsively splurging, they take a strategic approach, prioritizing quality and durability over fleeting trends. The wealthy often seek out timeless, well-crafted pieces that retain their appeal and functionality over time, whether it's clothing, accessories, or even furniture. They're also patient shoppers, willing to wait for sales, discounts, or opportunities to purchase high-value items at a better price. The lesson is clear. Don't burn your hard-earned money chasing trends that quickly fade. Focus on quality, practicality, and long-term worth. 8. High-risk debt instruments. Junk bonds and high-interest private loans may dangle the allure of substantial returns, but they come with an equally substantial risk default. These high-yield investments are often tied to borrowers with shaky creditworthiness, making them a gamble rather than a sound financial choice. The wealthy understand that preserving capital is just as important as growing it, which is why they gravitate towards safer fixed income options. Government bonds, such as Treasury securities, and corporate bonds with strong credit ratings offer reliable income streams with far less risk. When considering any investment, it's essential to carefully evaluate the risk versus the potential reward. Chasing higher yields without understanding the underlying risks can lead to significant losses, a mistake the wealthy are careful to avoid. 9. Personal guarantees on loans. The wealthy understand the critical importance of protecting their personal assets and are careful not to put them on the line for business ventures or risky investments. They recognize that offering personal guarantees, whether for business loans, leases, or other financial obligations, can be a financial disaster if the deal turns sour. A single misstep could result in creditors coming after personal savings, homes, or other assets, leading to devastating consequences. To mitigate this risk, the rich always prioritize separating personal and business finances. They often structure their businesses as limited liability companies, LLCs, or corporations to shield personal wealth and ensure liability remains confined to the business itself. This strategic approach preserves their financial security and protects their long-term stability, regardless of how a particular venture performs. 10. Fads and speculative assets. Whether it's NFTs, meme stocks, or the latest speculative craze, the wealthy approach these trends with caution and skepticism. They've learned from experience that market fads often burn bright and fast, leaving ill-informed investors holding the bag when the hype fizzles out. While these speculative ventures can generate buzz and occasional windfalls, they're far from reliable or sustainable. The rich instead focus on proven investment strategies that prioritize long-term growth and stability, such as diversified portfolios, real estate, and high-quality equities. They understand the importance of thorough research and resist the temptation to chase the latest trend simply because it's popular. The key lesson: avoid letting hype dictate your investment decisions and stay committed to strategies that stand the test of time. Being smart with your money isn't about being rich, it's about thinking like the rich. Avoid these 10 pitfalls and you'll set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Remember, wealth is built on discipline, knowledge, and smart decisions. Which of these traps have you avoided or fallen for? Let us know in the comments below.